kami ngayon sa school. Signing off clearance. Hello, Elin. Hello, Kit. Sino kita dyan? Hello, Jess. Faith. Hello, guys. Hala! Hala, guys, ito yung tsura ko. Tayo na lang daw ako. Hello, where are you going?
Rico's.
Hi, guys! Ba't ka tumatawa?
Wala may lumabas. Ito, our compiler din.
Grabe, guys.
Ito, Fibonacci sequence.
Andito na siya, guys.
Ito, hindi ko na alam.
We divide the square root of...
Ito yung bago. Topology. New version. Nagawa sila bagong formula.
Doing.
We're here po sa exhibit ng
Ano
Department
daw?
of Mathematics and Statistics.
Yes, math.
Pinapakita nila yung kanilang mga, what do you call this? Infographic sa kanilang thesis. Box plot.
Excuse me, guys. Let me sit down.
Magamit mo study nyo. Oh,
When we
comparison of visual.
round up...
Di picture mo ako pang cloud.
Example.
We're here sa exhibit ng BS Math. And ginajudge nila ang study ng mga taga BS Math.
Jar lang, Ki.
Anong sabi mo? Yan siya, guys. Andito yan siya. Feeling niya may naintindihan yan siya dito sa mga...
I mean, mahirap siya, pero madaliin mo lang siya i-conduct.
Hello, anong ginagawa niyo? Tapos sa kayo clearance niyo? Baby, kasi
Si pwede lang ganda.
My motor.
Insecure.
Oh, fake. You're beautiful.
Hindi man, okay lang.
Di ko yaste.
At least symmetrical din yung ohos.
Di ko yaste.
May grade na. Mabuti wala sa objectives niya. Wala, 125 lang si Rico kay Sir.
Magbayad na naman.
Going tayo ngayon sa SBE. Uy, Jonathan is sleeping.
Ano lang man yung sa BioFair lang man yung magka yung isama nyo si Rolex para masaya si ano? Sige na, isama.
Balik ha, kung name yung magulit tayo. Guys, dito siya nanood ng podcast. Hala, tignan ko na lang vlog.
Maingat.
This is your boy awarded to Jonathan G. Ayla Police State of Union.
Taas kamay yung mga architecture, sana. Ayan.
ka naman. Oh, guys. Oh, dito siya, guys.
Subukan din natin umakyat dito sa stage. Ma'am, anong comments, ma'am? Mercy? The Dean. Dean of the CSM na. Master of Science. Major in Biology. Are not allowed. Pwede nyo lang gamitin siguro pag Victoria na after the graduation day.
Halal lang. Manila. What?
Leslie Rose Cuyao, John Fe Agrario, Zona Marie Ignacio.
Hello guys, we are here at KCC Mall de Zamboanga. KCC Mall, SM? How? Kapoy guys. Sige kapoy na may. Bakit ang pangit ng light?
Hi guys, so we're...
Tutorial niya. Dili mag-cooperate itong mga class.
Ay, bala na, hindi mag-cooperate ako sila sa picture. Hello guys, we're here sa... Saan tayo?
We are here at supermarket. SM. Supermarket.
Guys. Asan ka? We're very, very tired. Galing kami sa rehearsal for graduation. Second batch kami guys. Batch 2. May 17. Bye. Bye-bye na ka.
Bye-bye.
Check, let's see, check.
Gratitude to our
Yes, ma'am. Live to,
Almighty
ma'am.
God for all the blessings showered upon our students as they persevere through their years in this academic, social, financial, and other challenges encountered other than
Classmate, kapag-change ka na si hindi ako mga
on how we can convey the true message of Islam. Basically, that is what Islam is. Allah gave us everything we need. We are not, created things. His advice, always aim high. About paradise, ask for the highest paradise. That is a
Cover and live your life with the idea that you are serving the God who sees you every day. Whether there is another person next to you or not, whether you are in an isolation.
We're going to KCC para mag-Victoria. So, kakatapos lang dapat pala nag-reach na Baccalaureate. Ayun pala kung magsalita
So we're
Akala ko
going
hindi
to,
pwede
hello,
mag-other
we're going
color.
to KCC Mall in Zamboanga. Hello guys, nandito kami sa Kaizo.
Nag-respond din talaga si Nina. Ano pa yung tanong mo?
And we're going
Kahit sa tabi ko naman si Jessica da.
Kaya nga, wala lang ko, baka ano lang.
Julius Ayan K. Laya. Leadership Certificate, Service, Silver Medal, Red Certificate, and Literary for Debate, Gold Medal, Red Certificate. Clarice T. Cabini. Leadership, Degree Adrian Ray K. Bana, Leadership with Certificate and Service Silver Medal with Certificate. Mike Jel Cray P. Moraga, Leadership with Certificate and Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. Arian May J. Elo, Leadership with Certificate and Service Bronze. Jaafar A. Jupakar, Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. Anubi, Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. Journalist Harald A. Jalisa, Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. Prince Shifar P. Amin, Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. Shalimar J. Dumato, Service Bronze Medal. Jolas B. Sadias, Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. C. Javier, Service Bronze Medal with Certificate. Farhan with Certificate. With Certificate. Andrade. Silver B. Agustin, Service Medal with Certificate. Bronze Medal with Certificate. Bronze Medal with Certificate. Service. Bronze Medal with Certificate. City. Norita K. Pisay, Service with Certificate. Lian Q. Fernando, Service with Certificate. G. Tamon, Service with Certificate. Najra D. Asi, Service with Certificate.
Jordan. Hi, Faith.
Uy, pataas na po.
Monday na.